Okay, well, here's the story here. The power went out, or not the power went out, but we blew a breaker here at the church. And I had to come back here because that breaker runs the fire alarm. And while I was here, I thought, well, I'm up at 3:30. What can we do while we're here? And I thought, well, let's take a sunrise video from the top of the bell tower. So we're going to climb up the bell tower here and try to make it up to the top here. So we got that one light, the rest of it, not sure you can see this here. So we're trying to get to the top of the bell tower to set the camera up, just so you get an idea here. That's the ladder we're going up to the top. So, which you may not be able to see yet, is the roof hatch. We're going to head out onto the roof. So, there we go. Roof hatch is open. Welcome. There it is. It's not sunrise yet. Sunrise is in about 40 minutes. Coming out onto the roof. There you are. So, gonna set the tripod up here. And we'll put the camera on the tripod. We'll do a little time lapse. Since I was up here, I'd bring my drone up here and fly off the top of the bell tower. Why not? It's a beautiful day. It's a little cold though. So, gonna wrap up for today, do a small flight, and we'll see how this comes out. It is way too cold to fly without something to keep your hands warm. Anyway, that's it for today. I'm going to put this up and see how it comes out.